My experience during Bagosphere is really life-changing for me because it gave me a purpose in life, and thanks to that I am able to keep myself busy. The main reason why I am thankful to Bagosphere is they boost my confidence a lot and turn me into a better person. I am grateful for everyone for believing in me and growing with me all throughout this training. I am able to improve my vocabulary skills and how should I construct what should I say during interview. Although I still need to polish them because there are still some areas I need to improve with, but I am very thankful for my coaches and my fellows for giving me feedback because I am really learning and I am able to apply all of them. The mock interview is really helpful for me because it made me confident and I learned a lot because I used to be scared during interview because I am always having a hard time speaking due to my anxiety, but thankfully it subsided a lot with the help of Bagosphere.